Germarel power.
Hello, this is ST-GER series 200 kV static stabilizer, and this device input voltage is 208, output voltage is 208 as set. And I would like to show you the panel and its properties first. From the panel you can see the input voltage, output voltage, frequency and load percentage from here. And there are three panels, so each phase regulates independently. From the warnings you can see the device's status, and if the device gives some alarms or alerts, so you can check from here, and why the device is shut down or something you can check from here. And this is dated, so you can check from date to date. From settings you can check the language, date clock set. You can mute the device from the buzzer. This is the date and time, and this is device info. And additionally you can see that this is the power switch of the device. When you first power it on, you can just energize the boards. After that there's an input breaker here for regulator input, so you can turn it on and the device will be work. This is the manual bypass of the device. If there is something wrong, you can just switch it to the mains, so the voltage comes from the mains, goes directly to output without energizing the device. And also you can see that the frequency is 50 Hz because of our grid. So when you connect the device in your system for 60 Hz, it will be shown as 60 from here. So there will be no frequency change in this device. Whenever it comes from the grid, it goes to output. So when you connect it in your site, it will be shown as 60 Hz. And now we will show you the limit of input, high and low voltages, and show the reaction of the device to you. First of all, we will just decrease the input voltage from the variac system. You can see that input voltage is now approximately 113, 110 volts, and I am going down up to its limit. As you can see, the device is now giving low voltage alarms. Depending on the output voltage is going down. If I increase that much, the device will be shut down. Yeah, the contactor is now off. You can see the red light is lit, so output is now off position. The load will not be energized with this position. Now I am just increasing the input voltage to its regulation range again. In few seconds later, the device will be alarms will be reset and device will be active. Yeah, all the green lights is now shown, so device now active. I am now increasing the voltage up to its high limit. Yeah, it's reaching the high limit. As you can see, the voltage is going so high, so the device just protects itself and the load, and the contactor is now off position. And now it's just decreasing the input voltage to its regulation range again to activate the device again. In few seconds the device will be active again, and yeah, all the alarms is just reset and device is now working properly.
Germarel.